In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute a command in Replit. Whether you're new to coding or simply venturing into the world of online development environments, Replit offers a straightforward platform to execute command line tasks, install packages, or interact with your project's environment. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Replit project. Within the project, the key area of interest for executing commands is the Shell or Console tab. If you're unfamiliar with this or having trouble locating it, don't worry, it's typically right within your main project window. To find it, look for a plus icon that allows you to reveal various additional tools or panels. Clicking on this icon typically presents several options, and among them, you should find the Shell or Console tab. Once you've spotted the Shell or Console option, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open what is known as the terminal pane. The terminal is an essential tool for developers. It's where a lot of the magic happens. Within this pane, you're able to input commands that can install new packages, manage your project's files, or even run scripts that you've created. Having this capability right at your fingertips in Replit is incredibly useful for a variety of development tasks. Now that you've accessed the terminal pane, you're ready to execute your commands. Simply click into the terminal prompt area and type in the command you wish to run. After you've entered your command, press Enter on your keyboard. This will initiate the command execution process within your Replit environment. Remember, the commands need to be compatible with the system environment of Replit, which usually aligns with what you can do in a typical Linux environment. Whether you're pulling in a package that your project needs or running a script to see its output in real time, the terminal is where it will happen. A quick tip: if you're unsure exactly what commands to use for a specific package installation or process, many resources and community forums can offer guidance tailored to Replit. Additionally, Replit's own documentation can be invaluable, offering insights and commands specific to their environment. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to executing commands in Replit. Mastering these steps not only enhances your efficiency as a developer, but also opens up a wealth of possibilities as you work on your Replit projects. Happy coding! And don't hesitate to explore what you can accomplish within this versatile platform. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time.